In the summer it's you and me, a moment blue and lit, fade away. Footsteps tracing golden shore, we didn't need anything more, laughing softly in the light. Everything just felt so right, fingers barely brushing close, a quiet warmth we never chose. If time could stop right here tonight, I'd stay forever in this light. Green wind calling out your name, nothing ever feels the same, like the waves that slowly grow. All these feelings start to flow. In this summer memory we keep all the light beneath our feet. Even time can't make it fade, every color, every shade. In this summer memory we stay, drifting gently far away. In the silence we both knew this was love in shades of blue. When the sunset painted skies, I saw forever in your eyes. No more words we had to say, we were everything that day. Even when the seasons change, nothing feels too far away. You and I, this memory stays like some